Welcome back, everyone, to Lab 8, Sheet 3. This is a short one. It's just going to be the spring. We're going to be reusing the swept boss base feature command and creating a helix and a spiral. So let me share my screen and let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we want to do here is open up a new part. Now, let's go ahead and open up a sketch on the top plane. And we're going to create a circle starting at the origin and dimension that circle out to 3 inches. Just like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and click Control-7 to give myself a nice little isometric view. And in your Features tab, go into Curves and click Helix and Spiral. And this is, you'll kind of get a preview of a little bit of a kind of the beginning of a spring. So you're going to want to use variable pitch. And the dimensions that you're going to enter, so for the pitch of revolution 1 or in row 1, you're going to do 0.41 and then click tab. And then in the pitch for column 2 or row 2, you're going to type 0.41 and then tab. And then just tab again and tab again. So because you want your revolutions to be 0 and then 1. And then the pitch for row 3 is going to be 1 inch. And the revolution is going to be 2. Click tab. That'll bring you down to row 4. So this is going to be 1 inch. But this revolution is going to be number 8. And watch what happens when you click tab. So now it has spaced. So what we did here, the pitch, so round to round, basically here, revolution to revolution is only 0.41, and then it's 0.41, and then it's 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, and then we're going to go back to 0.41 to close our spring. So that's going to be revolution 9. Click tab, 0.41, tab 10. Just like that. So this is what your table should look like. And we do not need anything here in row 7. Oops. So the start angle should be 0 degrees. If you have it some weird, if you have it at 15, for example, or something, your start point is, or like 220, your start point is not going to be lined up with a plane. So it has to be really, 0, 90, something like that. So let's go ahead and make it 0 degrees. Do a clockwise screw or clockwise spiral. Click OK. And there we go. So now if we go ahead and make a sketch on the right plane, let's make a circle somewhere out here. And that circle is going to have a radius of 0.2. Oops, and I just did it as a diameter, which is incorrect. So we are actually going to make that a 0.4 diameter so that it has a radius of 0.2. There we go. Now, highlight the center of this circle, hold Control, highlight the origin. And these are going to be horizontal to each other. And then you can either select both of these points. Oops, sorry. And select the helix and this point and pierce. Alternatively, you can go ahead and smart dimension from the center of this circle to the origin at 1.5. Both will work. So from here, go ahead and exit that sketch. Control-7 gives you a nice isometric. You can see, so if you had started this at some weird angle, 220 or something like that, you wouldn't have been able to line up properly the center of this circle and the end of this helix. So what we can do now, we'll go to Swept Boss Base. And our profile is the circle, and our path is the spiral. Go ahead and click the green check mark. And there you have it. Last thing I'd like you to do is go into View, Hide, and Show and turn off curves. And then go ahead and save this in your submissions folder, and I will see you in the next video.